Hello, my name is Luisa Fernanda Ruiz. For this activity, I will describe my family. CCAB Corozal Sucre, undergraduate industrial engineer. My family is composed of my mother, my three brothers, and my two children. My mother's name is Carmen Rey, is 42 years old, is a lawyer, is a very active and hardworking woman, is green eyes, blonde hair, her skin is white, tall, he lives in the municipality of Fusagasugá, Cundinamarca, and is in the director of university. My mom was moving. My older brother name is Mario, he's 34 years, lives Slavier, is a very tender and project, is a municipal representative and university teacher, has dark brown eyes, is very tall, solid texture, his skin tone is white, lives in Silvania, Cundinamarca, it's in front of Reddit and photography. My older brother name is Andres Fernando Mario Ruiz Reyes. He's 70 years old. He is finished high school student of the Vargas Military Academy in the municipal in Fusagasugá, Cundinamarca. His ways active, human, is light. He is tracked by very well. What he does, he tall rich, bright skin, green eyes, blonde hair. He's very loving and he likes animals there's mew. He lives in Silvania, Cundinamarca. My my young brother name is Tito Fernando. 8 years old. He did the school grad of primary school in the country school called Mother High School the Andes in the municipality of Fusagasugá. He is very upbeat, chill always, occupies the boys in the excellent academy behavior. Hamai Summit and Modi is the very tall, has his long hair, his dark brown eyes, his skin tone is white, his light college Hot Wheels car. A thousand tall is the feet of my family.